Hi, welcome to the new video. This is a preparation before I airbrush for an iPhone 6s. I use some self-plotted round stickers for camera and flashlight. Then I use a Scotch pad to roughen the surface. And a silicone remover or fat remover so that there's no grease on the backside. And what I use next is a standard primer, because I work a lot on fairs and some stuff like this. I use the can version, and also the next advantage is if you're painting like pictures, you have already a white canvas. This is now a heat dryer or heat blower. So with this preparation I'm finished in 1 minute and can start painting. So as an extra, I've painted all the surfaces black. And I'm now using a silver, and it's a very chrome silver it's called. And I'm using this technique with one hand I'm squeezing the air hose, and with the other I'm pushing down the button, the regulation button, and pull it back and forth, so there's like a pumping action. And when you release a little bit more air with the other hand on the hose, you get smaller drops, and if you work with nearly no air, you get like the bigger drops. And I'm doing now like a corroded metal surface, so this is like an easy way to do this. This is now a black. You can also use different colors, and you have like little dots there which are showing the metal. Now for the Rost effect, I'm just using a light brown. There are different kinds of colors for the Rost, so you can add also a little bit of red or something like this. I'm staying just with the light brown. And now this is the rework of the screw stencil. So this time it's a full part, and this is now the first version, which is a straight angle. I'm using the first one with black, opaque black, and then I switch to opaque white for the screws. And then I now do the shadow of the screws, so I just move them a little bit. And as you can see, I've just sprayed on the surface of the stencil and let the overspray do the work. So this is the second stencil. So there you have like the screw heads. And then there's it's not right. I have so that's right. Yeah, I have a stencil for the darker part in the screws and the light part, so the highlights. And as you can see, you can work very fast and with a lot of details. So, and what you do with the stencils and any combinations, it's up to you. So this is for the edge of the stencil. So I have like the square angle and now just the edge of the metal sheet. And so you have really nice details. You also can add like a shadow to it. But as you can see, it's really easy done. So now you can just add combinations to the whole thing. So I'm planning to do some more stencils in this manner, for maybe doing some like steampunk themed pictures, and trying to do some different shapes, like this one with the with this screw heads and some pipes and stuff. So everything so far is done with just black and white and any rust color you like. So if you have more than one airbrush, it's really fast painted picture, and something that I recommend to have like a cheaper airbrush, but then you have more than one. So as you can see, the stencil does all the fine work, so there's no need for a expensive airbrush where you can work fine details with, because this is all done by the stencil. So as you can see, the outside shape of the stencil is always like where to put the stencil for the perfect fit. So you got the angle there, the straight angle, and if you put every stencil on the surface like it covers the angle, you get always a perfect fit. I'm now painting, if you didn't recognize it, is now an iPhone 6s and an iPad Nano. I'm now doing some rusty elements. So that's real easy, like in, what does it take now? 5 to 10 minutes to create such a picture. I'm now doing a fast version now on the iPhone, so you can see how fast you can make such a picture. So I use now a white for the angle outside, because now with this stencil I can make it black again. So this is more for making things fast. And you can see even when the stencil is very dirty, just by positioning the stencil from the outside to the inside at the angle, you always get really a perfect fit. So that was black. Now there's the shadow in the screws. And you have like two sides on this stencil. So we had one longer side and one shorter side. But this is also wonderful if you're doing like a motorcycle tank or something like this, and you have to do a lot of screws and details. You can do this in hours instead of days. And now you can see at the phone that you're like finished this highly detailed picture in like 3 or 4 minutes. And you always can add like color to it if you want. As you can see on the photo on the side of this video, I've added a little bit of orange and red tones as a background lighting behind the plates. Now there are some shapes to make everything individual, so it's really easy just using a little bit of black and white to do some like this, a pattern that is pressed into the surface. And when I'm going to produce the next stencils, there's this stuff that you always can combine, if like tubes and stuff, or other geometrical forms. So that would be really easy to do. Awesome combination of stuff in a really short amount of time. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, you can subscribe my channel. Bye.